Look at the timestamp. Okay, that's one recording. Same video. Same thing. Same video. Same video. Same timestamp. 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 Same video, 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 same timestamp. This goes on for a lot of time, and I'm irritated by it. They should be giving a refund. I'm sick of this. This setup is a joke. You pay all this money for the service and you're not getting your service. It doesn't activate when it's supposed to, and then it activates when it shouldn't. This is ridiculous. How many copies have to be posted here of the same frickin' video? Good Lord. Look at this. It's like it doesn't quit. I've lost count already because of how many times it's sitting here. How is this supposed to be able to be reviewed when this is what you're seeing? It doesn't let you go backward. It's like repeat of the same video. I'm going to post this on YouTube. Whoever your programmers are, they suck. Even my dog agrees.